Now practice set 15 from lesson number 5, standard 6th. Practice set 15. Before going to that practice set, first we will understand the how to convert a common fraction into decimal fraction. See here, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 5, these are the what? Fractions. Now how to convert this fraction into decimal fraction? A fraction whose denominator is 1000 can also be written as a decimal fraction. Let us see how. If the denominator of a common fraction is 10, 100, 1000, then if there are more digits in the numerator than 0 in the denominator, understand it, then count as many digits from the right as the number of zeros and place the decimal point before those digits. For example, see here, 723 upon 10. In denominator, how many zeros are there? Only 1. So, in the numerator, we will write the decimal point after one digit from right side. राइट साइड से जो है वो हम लोग एक डिजिट के बाद डेसिमल पॉइंट लगाएंगे. क्यों एक डिजिट के बाद पॉइंट लगा रहे? क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर में एक ज़ीरो है. समझ में आ रहा है? 10 इज़ व्हाट? हैविंग 1 0. So that's why we will put the decimal point after one digit. If there is 2 zeros in the denominator, so we will put the decimal point after 2 digit in the numerator from the right side. राइट साइड से लगाना है, ये साइड से, ना कि ये साइड से. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? देखो यहाँ पे एक ज़ीरो था तो हम लोग ने राइट साइड से एक पॉइंट लगा दिया, यहाँ से 72.3. यहाँ पे 2 ज़ीरो थे तो हम लोग ने राइट साइड से 2 नंबर के बाद पॉइंट लगाया. देन नंबर इज़ व्हाट? 512.50. इफ़ देयर इज़ in denominator 1000, so we will put the decimal point after how many digits? 1 2 3, 3 digits from the right side. So 1 2 3, after 3 digits you have to put the decimal point and the number becomes 5.138. Is that clear to you all? So if there is 7 upon 10, so 7 upon 10 here in the denominator there is 1 0, and we have learned that if in the denominator there is only 1 0, so we will put the decimal point after one digit. See here, 7 upon 10, 1 0 is there, and we will put the decimal point after one digit from right side. It means 7 point. So after this point we have to write the 0. Same thing, see, if number is 54 upon 100, so how will we convert this into common decimal fraction? See, there are 2 zeros in the denominator, so we will write the decimal point after 2 digit. It means here. Then after 2 digit there is the decimal point, so write the 0 in the integers place. Have you understood? One more example, 725 upon 1000. There are how many digits? 3. Sorry, there are how many 0? 3. 1 2 3. So in numerator, after 3 digit you have to put the decimal point. Then after that point write 0. That means 0.725. Have you understood? See, if 8 upon 100, so here there are 2 0 and in the numerator there is only one digit. So how will we put the decimal point in the numerator? So see here, one digit is there, 8. Then 0 2 0 is there, one digit. Then we need one more digit, so we will write 0, 1 and 2. Now there is 2 digits. then put the decimal point, then 0. Have you understood? अगर नीचे 2 0 है, ऊपर एक ही डिजिट है, सो आपको दूसरी डिजिट के लिए क्या करना है, उसके लेफ्ट साइड पे एक 0 बढ़ाना है. जितने डिजिट्स कम पड़ेंगे उतने 0 आपको इस साइड में डालना है. देन पुट द 0 पॉइंट, देन 0. सेम थिंग इन दिस 8 upon 1000. How many 0? 3. And digit is only 1. So 1 digit, then we need 2 more. So we will add 0. Then point, then 0. Have you understood? See, 1, 2, 3. 3 0. After 3 digits, we have to put the decimal point. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? So 0.008 is the answer of this. So we have converted the common fraction into decimal fraction. Okay? Common fraction into decimal fraction. Now we will convert a decimal fraction into common. How? See, डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन से अब हमको कॉमन फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. अगर ऐसे बोलेगा सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल 26.4, दिस इज व्हाट डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन. Convert this decimal fraction into common fraction. How will we convert? So first, forget this point. First write the number 264. See, after how many digits point is there? 1 digit, right? After 1 digit there is a point. So in the denominator we write 10. अगर पॉइंट एक नंबर के बाद है तो दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट इन द डिनोमिनेटर 10. 2 नंबर के बाद है देन यू हैव टू राइट द इन द डिनोमिनेटर 100. 3 नंबर्स के बाद है दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट इन द डिनोमिनेटर 1000. क्लियर? सी वन मोर एग्जाम्पल 0.04. First we write the number. Here number is what? 4. Upon how many digits are there? There are 2 digits. 1, 2. So we write 100 in the denominator. See next one. 19.315. First we write the number 19315. So what we will write in the denominator? After how many digits there is a point from right side? 1, 2, 3. 3 points, that means we have to write 30. It means 1000. Is that clear to you all? So practice set. Now let's move on to the practice set 50. Now see question number 1. Write the proper number in the empty boxes. See, first one is what? 3 upon 5 is equals to 3 multiplied by which number and 5 multiplied by which number is equals to, in the numerator we have to find the number and denominator hint is given what? 10, and we have to write the final answer also. So students, you have to remember that one hint is given for you always. कभी भी आपको एक हिंट तो दी हुई रहेगी, या तो न्यूमरेटर दिया हुआ रहेगा या तो डिनोमिनेटर. हियर डिनोमिनेटर इज गिवन 10. इट मीन्स 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय विच नंबर? देन वी विल गेट 10. 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2. व्हेन वी मल्टीप्लाई इन द डिनोमिनेटर, so we have to multiply same number in the numerator also. जो नंबर से आप डिनोमिनेटर में मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो वही नंबर से आपको न्यूमरेटर में भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, which is already given. 3 2s are 6. Now 6 upon 10. So 6 upon 10, how will we convert this into decimal fraction? Here in denominator there is only 1 0. It means after 1 digit we will put the decimal point. Then in the integers place we will write 0. Answer is what? 0.6. Is it easy? See, 25 upon 8. 8 multiply and 25 multiply by which number? Then 8 multiply by 125. So here 8 multiply by 125. It will be what? 1000. In denominator it is multiplied by 125. So we will multiply in the numerator also 125. Now multiply this number. When you multiply this 25 into 125, so you will get 3125. Then see, divided by 1000. So after 3 digits there is a decimal point 3.125. Have you understood? See the third one. 21 upon 2. 2 multiplied by which number? Then we will get 10. 2 multiplied by 5. When we multiply in the denominator, we have to multiply in numerator also. So 21 multiplied by 5. 21 5s are 105. Okay, 105 upon 10. Here there is only 1 0. It means we what? Put the decimal point after one digit from right side. 10.5. 22 upon 40. And here is what? 11 upon 20. 22 upon 40 and 11 upon 20. So students, आप बोलोगे यहाँ पे 22 upon 40 और यहाँ पे 11 upon 20 क्यों है? बिकॉज हमको डिनोमिनेटर में ऐसा नंबर बनाना है जो 10 हो, 100 हो या 1000 हो. यह हमेशा आपको याद रखना है, तो ही आप डेसिमल फ्रैक्शन में इजीली कन्वर्ट कर पाओगे. So here in the denominator there is 40. So we cannot convert this into 100 or 1000. Okay. So that's why here is divided by 2. 11 what? 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 zeros are 0. ये already आपको इतना किया हुआ है. Now from this 20 multiply by 5. Here is answer what? 100. So 11 multiply by which number? 5. Because denominator में 5 से multiply तो numerator में भी किससे multiply होगा? 5 से. So 11 5s are what? 55. Now 55 upon 100. What is the decimal fraction of this 55 upon 100? First write the 55. Then after point word 2 digits there is a point. Then write 0. 0.55. Clear? Question number 2. Convert the common fraction into decimal fraction. This is what? Common fraction and you have to convert into decimal fraction. अभी आप लोग बोलोगे आप लोगों ने अब तक तो ऐसे ही किया था, ये 8 upon 100, 7 upon 10. बट यहाँ पे तो डिनोमिनेटर में कोई 10, 100 या 1000 है ही नहीं. So how will we convert this into decimal fraction? So students, be careful. See here. Question number 2. First we have to convert this into decimal fraction. So for this, first we will change the denominator. We will make the denominator 10, 100 or 1000. So 4 multiplied by which number? Then we will get 100, 10, 10 तो होगा ही नहीं. 4 को कोई ऐसे नंबर से आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 10 तो होगा ही नहीं, बिकॉज 4 2s are 8. Then after that 4 3s are 12. So 4 multiply by, if I multiply this by 25, so 25 4s are 100. Remember it, 25 4s are 100. So डिनोमिनेटर में 25 से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो फिर न्यूमरेटर में भी 25 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. देन 25 3s are 75. 25 4s are 100. Now we can convert this into decimal fraction. How? 20, that means after 2 digits there will be a point, then 0. It means 0.75. Have you understood? See the second one. 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5. 5 multiply by which number? Then we will get 100. So 5 multiply by 20. And numerator also multiply by 20. Then 24s are 80. 80 upon 100. It means 0.80. I think you all have understood how to convert in decimal fraction. And this one, see, this one you have to do it by yourself. I'm just giving you hint. In the denominator, which number you will multiply by 8? See here, 8 multiply by 125, then you will get 1000. So multiply by 125, and in numerator there is multiply by 125. See here, 20 is given. In denominator 20 is given. So 20 multiply by which number? Then we will get 100. You can make any डिनोमिनेटर 10, 100 एंड 1000, तीनों में से कोई भी बना सकते हो, बट जो इजी हो वो सबसे पहले बनाओ. लाइक 100 जो है वो उसके नज़दीक आ जाता है तो 100 बन सकता है. सो 20 इज गिवन, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. देन डिनोमिनेटर 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो न्यूमरेटर भी 5 से करना. देन आफ्टर दैट convert in decimal fraction. But this one, see, I am doing this one, fifth one. What? 36 upon 40. 40 से कोई भी नंबर ऐसा मल्टीप्लाई होकर 100 या 1000 नहीं बनता है. सो वॉट वी विल डू? फर्स्ट वी विल वॉट? रिड्यूस दिस फ्रैक्शन. हाउ? डिवाइडिंग बाय 2. 2 1s are, see, 2 1s are 2, 1 is remaining, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, then 2 zeros are 0. 20 आ गया. So we can make the denominator 100 by multiplying 5. It is also multiplying by 5. So 18 5s are 90 upon 100. Then 2 digits. After 2 digits we have to put the decimal point. That means answer is what? 0.90, or you can say 0.9. 0.90 you have to write. Okay. Then this one, 200. 200 multiply by which number? So we can make the denominator as 1000 by multiply 5. 200 5s are 1000. Okay. Then in numerator also multiplying by 5. I hope you all have understood. Question number 3. Convert the decimal fraction into common fractions. We have to convert these are the what? Decimal fractions, and we have to convert into common fraction. How will we convert into common fraction? See, I have explained you. First we write the number 275. Here, after how many digits from right side there is a decimal point? After 1 digits. That means in denominator we have to write only 10. Clear? See the second one. 0.007. So what is the number? 7. After how many digits there is a point? कितने डिजिट्स के बाद पॉइंट है? 1 2 3. यहाँ से गिनना है, राइट हैंड साइड से, यहाँ से नहीं गिनना है, यहाँ से 1 2 3. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू राइट 30. इट मीन्स 1000. थर्ड वन, 90.8. First we write the number 908. After how many digits there is a point from right side? Count it. 1 digit. It means we write only 10. Fourth one, 39.15. First we write the number 39.13915. Then in denominator what we will write? 1 2. 2 numbers are there. So we write 20. It means 100. Is that clear? I think you all can do this remaining questions. In the denominator, what will be the number? 10, 100 or 1000? 100, because after 2 digits there is a point. See here, 70.400. So in denominator what we will write? 1 2 3. 3 digits के बाद point है, that means 1000. और एक बात ध्यान रखना है, जब भी आप ऐसे डिनोमिनेटर लिखोगे ऐसे, तब आपको यहाँ पे पॉइंट नहीं डालना है, बिकॉज यू हैव वॉट रिटन इन डिनोमिनेटर 0 इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस पॉइंट. क्लियर? सो आपको वहाँ पे डेसिमल पॉइंट इधर नहीं डालना है आंसर में. आपने यहाँ पे 0 डाल दिया है, इट मीन्स इट इज़ क्लियर्ड. So remaining questions you have to complete it in your notebook. I hope you all have understood this practice set. Thank you so much, students.